Please subscribe for more awesome and healthy tips. Hello friends, today we will talk about world's best homeopathic medicine 5 phos for weakness and exhaustion, so let's see what does make it special. SBL 5 phos tablets is an excellent homeopathic remedy for nerve and brain. It promotes tissues building and provide the necessary nutrition to nerves, brain and bones. It is considered an excellent tonic for all anemia, general debility, chronically wasting diseases, women weakened by frequent childbearing, general exhaustion with lack of vitality in all people. It is also beneficial in neurasthenia, anxiety states, and impaired memory. SBL 5 phos tablets contains 5 essential tissue salts like calcarea phosphorica 6x, ferrum phosphoricum 6x, kalium phosphorus 6x, magnesia phosphorica 6x, natrum phosphorica 6x, which play an important role in cell metabolism. These tissue salts restore health by removing the mineral imbalances in the body. Uses of 5 phos. Recovery from chronic exhaustive diseases, helps to relieve stress, improve memory, and efficient functioning of the body, helps to keep the person tired-free all the day. It gives a fresh feeling and desire to work with full energy, for all women bearing frequent children and which causes anemia, low HB problems, helps to increase HB in feeding mothers, gives energy, and tones body. It is safe to take the tablets even if you are on other mode of treatment like allopathy medicines, Ayurvedic etc. Homeopathic medicines do not interfere with the action of other medicines. It is safe and without any side effects. Dosage of 5 phos. Put tablets into mouth and allow them to dissolve under the tongue. Adults and adolescents, 12 years and older, 2 to 4 tablets 4 times daily, or as recommended by your healthcare practitioner. Children, under 12 years, 2 tablets twice a day. Precautions. Always keep a gap of 15 minutes before or after meals when you take medicine. If pregnant or breastfeeding, ask a homeopathic practitioner before use. Avoid eating tobacco or drinking alcohol during the course of treatment. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more awesome and healthy tips.